Hello guys, welcome to dedicatedcore.com. We already created many videos on Git, Composer and different server related issues. So if you need any information or any installation, that time you can able to go on to our YouTube channel that is called Dedicated Core. So you will get a lot of video guys like control panel installation, server securities, installation of different applications like FTP, and there are a lot of security tools, modules and control panels. So if you need any information, so that time you can able to comment. But in this video we are specifically talking about Git installation in different operating systems like Centos, AlmaLinux, RockyLinux, CloudLinux. So the process in all these 4 operating systems is extremely simple. So let's begin with Git installation. Very first, we need to update our repositories. That is a local repository. For that, we can able to use this command. Since we already done that, it took very less time for me. So we will directly move forward to install Git. To install a Git, we can able to use dnf space install space Git. It will ask for the permission, say yes. And once done, your Git installation has been completed. To verify the installation, we need to use the below command, that is git space -- version. So in this case, you can able to see that Git is running at 2.39.3. Please do not skip this video because still there is one more step remaining. I will share this in the end of this video. If this method does not work, then you can able to use a second method, that is install latest version of Git from IUS directories. For that, you can able to enter this command. After that, enter this command, say yes. In detail, we have already given in the description, so you can able to go and check. So you can able to easily copy and paste the commands. After that, enter this and finally enter this. Done. Again, we will check the version and you can will see that version. Now the important part. In some cases, we wanted to remove a Git because we wanted to install a fresh Git. So in this case, we can simply use this command. So this is the extremely easiest one. And our Git is uninstalled successfully. Let me recheck. No command found. Done. This way, we successfully install Git and also help you in uninstalling a Git. One last thing, we as a server provider, we can help you in all kind of a server related issues. If you need any service or support, you can always contact our dedicated core technical persons, so they will assist you one-on-one.